Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2020 Lexus RX 350L. The L stands for extended length in the RX model with increased seating and cargo capacity. We'll see that on the inside. This vehicle is offered in Caviar exterior with gray leather trim seats. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis. For additional information or a test drive, contact Trey. His information is listed below. The sticker priced on this vehicle is $57,990. We can see the RX 350L badging on the rear of the vehicle. We also see LED taillights, aluminum roof rails, the power folding side mirrors. Get a great look at the 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped with all-season tires. Great looking wheel. We also have daytime running lights, LED headlights. As we move around and see that aggressive Lexus grille, let's dive into the inside. We have the second row is a 40-20-40 split fold-down seat. We also have a third row. We'll show you that in a little bit as we look at the driver and passenger's compartment and back out and see the power moonroof. As we dive into the front area, we have 10-way power driver and passenger seat. They're heated and vented. The steering wheel is wood and leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Get a great look at the center stack, touchpad. We'll show that in a little bit more detail. Nice little cubby there for the passenger right there in the center console. Here we see the second row heating controls as well as the driver's compartment. Really a nice door-to-door dash shot as we back out and see the power moonroof. Great looking car, plenty of room. I'm tall, 6'3", and I've got plenty of room. I had to move the seat up. Here we see the powered driver's seat. The dash is nice and soft. That's a 12.3-inch monitor. Talk more about that in a minute. There's the instrument cluster, the steering wheel touch panel, power tilt and telescoping steering column. Great look at the heated vented driver's seat. Nice stitching in the door panel as well as the seats, center console, arm pad, power windows, power mirrors. You can see the wood trim on the door there as well. Plenty of touch options on the steering wheel. Dual zone climate control, CD player, additional power ports, electronic parking brake, nice wood grain in the front there and the center console. Here I'm going through the controls for the heated seats as well as the vented seats. Here's the Lexus touchpad for your 12.3-inch media screen. So we have blind spot information system, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa capability, intuitive park assist, Lexus multimedia with navigation, 12 speakers, nice deep center console with additional power ports, glove box with your owner's manual, nice little cubby for your smartphone. And when you put the smartphone in there, it won't rattle around. It's got a little control there, so it holds it nice and tight. Have paddle shifters. As far as the cargo space, you can see the all-weather floor mats, and the cargo space is 7.4 with the third row up, 23 with the second row or third row down, and 58.5 cubic feet with all three rows down. There you see the third row climate control. power rear hatch. The L really has plenty of room on the inside. As far as the engine, it's a 3.5 liter V6 engine producing 290 horse. Made it with an 8-speed transmission, giving you 18 city, 25 miles per gallon highway. Here's another great shot of the aggressive Lexus grille.